Okay, so let us move to the further. So in the last session, I hope we completed one modules. So as a part of the module, we discussed importance of module, types of modules, and number of approaches to deal with the modules. 7 syntaxes I explained it. Today enter into the we are going to enter into the packages in Python. Packages in Python we are going to discuss. Right. Hmm. Pankaj. Now we'll go to what? Packages. Shall we start up? Index. What we are going to discuss about in the packages. So number one, purpose of package. Purpose of package. Next is called the definition of the package. Definition of package. Next, uh, steps for creating the package. Steps for creating the package. Next, number of approaches. Number of approaches to reuse the features of reuse the features of packages. There are two approaches are available by using sys.path.append. Sys.path.append. This is number one. Number two, by using Python path, Python path environmental variables, environmental variables, Python environmental variables. This is the one, and followed by programming examples. Programming examples. This is the topic what we are going to write it. Right. Let me talk about this discussion now. Start a right purpose of package. So let us move to the functions concept. Functions concept. Once you open it, there I'm going to take functions. So there I will open index of functions. Already there is a concept of functions. Yesterday we have seen about the modules, and next packages. Today we are going to discuss. Students, yesterday's class, I will go to this place, PyCharm module related example. These are the various syntaxes we discussed it. This is a place where we have done it. So take it ICICI. This is called our module, right? Which place it is present? In which place it is present in C drive, users, this entire place. In this folder, see students, this packages is little confusing. Try to carefully follow. Here no programming today. Only 2 lines is a programming statement. Rest of them are switching over to PyCharm to command prompt to edit plus Jupyter notebook, different places I'm going to show. Try to be careful. So here ICICI.py is called what? Module name. And SC3 is called what? Main program. Both of them are present in which place? Which place? Same folder. Same folder. So that I can access. Right? Fine. Now I'm going to take up. So this 11 a.m. modules example is the folder name present into this path. Today I will close it. Today I will close it. Be careful, students. Or I will write it. This is a place where you are having. Go to the next place here. I am writing new program name. Others. Here I am writing Python. Here I am going to write it something like ICICI demo, ICICI demo.py. Where I'm writing what? Print of. What is this now? Bank name, comma, B name. Next is called what? Print of bank address. Bank address, I am writing, colon. There I am writing ADDR. I am writing. Next I am going to write it simple int of. There I am going to write it from ICICI import B name, comma, ADDR and a simple int I am going to write it. B name, ADDR, simple int. Now I will save this into this place. Where I am saving? Save into which place? Into E colon, some place I am going to write it. In E colon, some place I am going to write it. Which is my place I am writing? Here I am going to create one folder called KVR. In KVR folder, I am going to save my program. What is my program name? What is my program name? ICICI demo. I am going to save it. So students, carefully follow. Now I want to run this code. So where should I go? Where should I go? Command prompt. Already you know how to run the program from command prompt. Did I explain? How to run from command prompt? Explain? Not explain. Explained and not explained? Explained. What is the tool used to run from Python command prompt? Python and py. So E colon, say KVR. In that place, I saved my program just now. So you try to run it. What is this now? Py, that program name. So it will go to this program from ICICI. What is ICICI? Module. Once if I import, yesterday only I said where it will be searched in. First place where it is searched in Python software. Python software. First it will search in Python software. Do you have this module in Python software? No. It will come to where? It will come to current working directory. Under that, what is our folder? I said PyCache, CACHE, underscore underscore. In that, looking for what? ICICI dot C Python hyphen 313 dot PYC. Do you have underscore underscore PyCache in my current working folder? No. Error. Now it will be only two places I said already. These two places not present. You will get which error? Module not found error will come. In the present working folder, I already said to you, my KVR folder, there is no PyCache is available. So it is going to give you which error? Module not found error. See that module not found error. It is not able to do. Where is this ICICI was present in? Some other place it is present in. Where? In 11 AM modules place it is present. Understand? In the same place it was executed. In the same place it was executed. I got an answer. 1000, 10,000 and 2 and 3. I got an answer. I got an answer. This is an answer. I got it. So coming to this place, this we got an answer. So finally, but this place, it is not able to execute. Module not found error is coming. Are you understanding now? Then how to deal with it? Even you go to this place also, this you close it, this you close it. One more project I will open, new project, new project. I'm taking here, I'm taking one more project called what something like HYD. I'm taking HYD. HYD is called one new folder I'm creating here. In this place, I'm carrying the statements. This place, PyCharm only. But what is the folder? HYD folder. What is the previous folder? 11 AM modules examples folder. So in this place, I'm writing ICICI demo.py. ICICI demo.py. So there I'm going to write it. So it is going to give you execute. You'll get which answer? Module not found error, you will get it. Module not found error, you will get it. Module not found error. This is a error, we got it. Then how do you solve it? Red underline is coming. How do you solve it? Online students, did you understand this entire thing? Plus, if we go to this place where I am going, go to this place, Python command prompt, you go there. There I am going to write it from ICICI import bname, comma, ADDR, simple int. I am writing. It is giving you what? Module not found error. Go to Python ideally shell you go. Python ideally shell you go. There also I am writing. What is that? Import. Import in another way. ICICI. It is giving you module not found error. Are you getting everybody? Then how to access it? That is an important. In order to access it, where I am accessing previously what I said already to you people, function importance I said, module importance I said, package importance today we are going to learn it. Where I can access, we can hmm, reuse in which program? Same program, but not in another program, but not in another program. What is this now? We can reuse, we can reuse in same program and other programs, but not project present in, provided all the things present in, already said yesterday, things present in same folder, present in same folder, same folder, but not possible, but not possible across, across the folders, across the folders, across the drives, across the environments, across the environments, across the networks, across the networks, etc. Not possible across the folders, drives, environments, and networks. To access, to reuse, to reuse, to reuse. What do you want to reuse? Global variables. Global variables already covered yesterday. Module is a collection of global variables and all those things. Functions. And the next one, class names of modules. Of modules. In the same program, other programs, same program, other programs, comma what? Across the folders, across the drives, across the networks. I must go for what? Packages. Packages. Are you following? So we are expecting everything to access everywhere. So ultimate goal is what? To go for what? Packages. How to create a package? Now I'm going to enter online students. So three reusable things are available. Now I will show you one simple example for you. Simple notes I will show you. Simple notes to be Sanmiko. So I'm going to show you the differences between function and modules and everything. Chadukondo sir. All of you read out. A function is one of the subprogram of main program or a part of main program is called function. A function is a subprogram which is used to perform certain operation and provides code reusability. Function related code can be accessed within same program but not possible to access across the programs. That is the point of function. What I can use, what I cannot use. Module. A module is a collection of global variables, function names, and class names. The purpose of module is that to reuse global variables, function names, and class names of module either within the same program or across the programs, provided module and its corresponding main program present in the same folder, but not possible to access across the folders, environments and environments. Here I shown you error, not possible. Also shown, not possible. Also shown what? Not possible. Because they are in different environments, different folders, etc. Not possible. Now next go to what? Package. What is the package? Package is a collection of modules. Module is a collection of global variables, functions and class names. Purpose of package is that to reuse modules. Modules means what? This one. Either within the same folder or a different folder or different environments or different networks. These three concepts are comes under reusable techniques in which programming? Functional programming. So how to create a module? You already know yesterday. Today we are going to learn about how to create a package. So I'm going to tell you the conclusion now. I'm talking about creating a package. Creating a package. I'm going to talk about it. Very, very important. Here, today's concept is very easy, but only thing is student will become confused if you don't have the programming skill. If you did not practice well, obviously will get the doubt only like that. Okay, no issue about it. So academics are different and industry is different. Let us coming to the point back. Now I'm talking about creating a package. One important sentence I want to write it. Creating a package is nothing but creating a package is nothing but package is nothing but creating creating a package is nothing but creating creating it as a folder, creating it as a folder, creating it as a folder. How do you create a module? How do you create a module? Creating a module is nothing but writing a Python program with global variable names, function names, and class names. That is called module. Creating a package is nothing but creating it as a folder, creating it as a folder only. That folder I'm going to create. So creating a package is not a big deal. We need to know how to create a folder. So what I'm writing now? Folder name. You know how to create a folder name. So in the folder name, this is going to be known as what here? Folder name. We call it as what here? Package. This is called a package name. What is the definition of package? Muddu, come on. Package is a collection of what? Modules. Inside of that, what will come? What will come? Module will come. In this folder, what will come? Module will come. What is the module name? Today I used it. What is this now? Module, module name 1. Module name 1. This is called module name 1. Here, I will write module name 1. Next is called module name 2. Module name 2. Like that, I will write module name n. N number of modules I will write it. N number of modules I will write it. This is called a module name n. I am writing. N number of modules I am writing. Students. So each module will contain what? Interns. Interns, what will be containing each module? Global variables will be there. Next is called what? Functions will be there. Function names will be there. Next you have what? Class names will be there. This is called the intern structure. This is each module will contain global variables, functions. Next is called what? Function names. Function names will be there. Plus next will be there. Class names will be. This is a module level related activity. So now I want to tell you an optional word here. Any folder you are creating as a package name, in the older versions of Python, you require one optional kind of thing called what underscore underscore init. Init. underscore underscore dot py, an empty Python file. This is, it is an empty Python file. It is also required to place inside of that folder. Any folder contains an empty Python file, that is going to be called as real package name. But these versions, in the present versions of Python, writing this empty file name is optional. I may place it, I may not place it. In our classroom, what is happening? I will create one type of package, module, package, module, global variable, function names, class names. What is the bank here? What is the bank here? Come on, speak out. What is the bank here? It is called what name? Package name. It is called package name. Package name it is. It is a package name. So, in this place, what will be there? In the bank, we are going to write it one module. Only one module I am going to write it. What is that now? ICICI.py. What is this ICICI.py? Module name. Yesterday class I was explained already. Again and again I need not to. Module name. Inside the module name, what are present? What are present? There is a global variables. What is the global variable name? Mudu. So the point is already written there. B name. With చదువుకోకపోతే మనం ఏం చేయలేముగా. B name. Next is called what? ADDR. 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 There is a function is also present. What is that function name? Simple int. These are the global variables, function names present in which module? ICICI module. If you want, this is called one package name. Under that, there is a module called ICICI.py. It's a module name. Under that, these are the things. Package name. If you want, you can write one optional file, which is not necessary. Just I'm saying that. What is that? Underscore underscore init underscore dot py. It is not mandatory, students. It is a strictly called optional. I may write it, I may not be writing. Are you following my point? Right now, it is a bank. I will take it where it is already done here. We are taking from here, we are getting an error. Why? The PVM looking for ICICI module in which folder? HYD folder. Is it there? No, it is not there. That's why we are getting which error? Module named ICICI. It is not there. Similarly, when you went to command prompt also, you got the same error. When you went to this place also, same. When you went to Python command prompt also, this error. When you went to this command prompt, Windows command prompt also error. How do you sort it out, this problem? Understand? So online students, first of all, are you catching my point? Did you catch my point about this? Now I am going to tell about how we are going to sort it out. Very, very simple. In this case, student, in my diagrammatic representation, bank is a folder name. That is called a package name. Basically, it is a folder name. Every folder name is simply called as what here? Every folder name is simply known as what here? Package. That package name is going to be available right now. So once there is one folder, definitely there is some drive is also there. Assume that this drive is assume that D drive it is present, student. For example, it is present into D drive. Assume that. So what is my complete path of ICICI.py? ICICI.py is present into where? D drive and what? Bank folder. Folder is nothing but what here? Package name. In that place, my module is available called ICICI.py. So I should tell to this entire information to whom? PVM. So PVM will go to D drive and bank. From there, it is getting imported. Okay, now. So the overall together is called what? Come to my Python command prompt first. Where is an ICICI is available? Hmm. Yesterday's class, I already said to you, close it. Even today's class beginning, I said to you already, 11 a.m. modules. I said you already here. This is the one. B name, address, and everything. This is where you are going out of order. 11 a.m. modules is called what folder or not? Where it is present in C colon users, so KVR, PyCharm projects, this entire thing. It is something like today you feel it as what? Bank. You feel it as what? Bank. So in this case, 11 a.m. modules is known as what? One folder. In that, my program name is called what? ICIC is available. Or if you feel difficulty, what I do? Close it. Close this project. Here, I will carry, save it, close it this part. I will close. I will create a new project. What is my new project name? Bank. So bank is called what? One new folder I created. In that, I'm going to take it. What is this now? ICICI.py according to my diagrammatic representation. So strictly, this is the one. This is the one. Now I'm going to enter into this place. ICICI. From ICICI, B name, etc. If I go to my place, if I run my program, got an error. Now tell me, in my program, I should tell to PVM, get this ICICI from which place? మధుబాబులో మీకేం అర్థమవుతట్లేదు. సి కోలన్ యూజర్స్ కోలన్ కేవీఆర్ కోలన్ పైచామ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కోలన్ అండర్ బ్యాంక్ ఫోల్డర్ అండర్ బ్యాంక్ ప్యాకేజ్ my module is called what? ICICI.py is available. I should tell this entire path. This is known as absolute path we can call. Online students carefully understand. This is called absolute path we can call. From this absolute path, I want to get this. So this is what I am going to tell in my index also. If you look at this index, steps for creating a package you understood. Create a folder, place one empty file, it's an optional. Third what? Place the module which contains global variables and etc. Definition of package you understood. Purpose of package you understood. Now I am telling number of approaches to reuse the features of the package. In which program? This place. To reuse it, I am using sys.path.append I am using. Let's go to this. I am using sys.path.append of. I need to pass what? Absolute path of package where module present. Module present. What is my module name? Hmm? ICICI. Which module, which package it is present? Bank. Where is that bank related kind of package is available? It is present into C colon, users colon, KVR, PyCharm projects. In this place, it is present. This entire path I need to mention. Sir, from where can I get it? Go to C drive. Go to C drive. C drive. Users, KVR, PyCharm projects. PyCharm projects. Somewhere else. PyCharm projects. KVR. Here I am going to enter into that. In that, PyCharm projects. Into this place, bank. In this place, there is an ICICI. You carry that entire address. Click select and control C and get it into this place. You need to paste it. You need to paste it. I mentioned it. Sys.path.append. What is here? Sys is a module. Import sys. In the sys, there is a global variable called path. If you want, I will keep it for a minute Sys. Sys is called what? Module. What is the definition of module? Sys is a module, collection of what? Global variables, function names, class names, etc. In the sys module, what is the global variable name? Path. How do I access the variable of a module? Already said yesterday only. Module name dot global variable name. Module name dot global variable. Already explained. Sys dot path. What is the type of path variable? What is the type of path variable? Hmm? Global variable. So Shankar Dada MBBS. సో గో టు ద ఎస్టర్డేస్ క్లాస్. చదువుతారా లేదా మీరంతా? ఎందుకు వస్తారు మీరు అసలు క్లాస్కి? చదువులేదు, ఏం లేదు. మాడ్యూల్స్. ఎస్టర్డే మ్యాథ్స్ ఇన్ఫో is a module. What is PI? What is the type of PI? Float. What is PI? Global variable. What is the type of PI? Float. What is the type of E? Float. What is E? Global variable. What is E? What is the type of E? There is a difference. What is E? Global variable. What is the type of E? Float. What is B name? Global variable. What is the type of B name? String. str. Like that. What is sys? Module. What is path? Global variable. What is the type of path? I want to tell. Type of path I want to tell. Keep a comment for this lines also. This lines also. Path I want to tell. Print of type of path. Now I am telling, since I am expert in the coding of this, path is one of the object, global variable. Every variable name, global variable. Every variable name in Python is an object. Every object behind there is a class. That class is called what? List class it is called. Path is an object of list. See the answer. That's why high-fi coding standards are required. Continuous practice gives you that. So ICICI, what is that? List. So sys is a path, sys is a module, sys is a module. Under that path is equal to, they created one variable, or they created a called what? Path is equal to list of, they said. How they can call? Sys dot path. Okay. So we understood sys dot path. There I'm going to write it. Sys dot path. Path is an object of what? List. In the list, there is a function called what? Append. Sys dot path dot append. You need to pass that entire absolute path of the package where my ICICI module is present. Where my ICICI module is present. Bank. I said bank. Are you following? Now, when I come execute this program, what PVM will do? PVM will search in three places. Number one is what? Python software. Number one, Python software. Number two, it will search in where? Present working folder PyCache. It will look into that. Since it is not there, since it is not there, ICICI is not there in this place, ICICI is not there in this place, it will look for what? Absolute path specified by the programmer. What is an absolute path? It will go to C colon, users, KVR, PyCharm projects. Under the bank it is present. From there it is getting imported. That is the explanation of this entire thing. So, whichever module you are importing, that particular module absolute path of the package you need to bring it, because every module will present in the package. What is the package name? Bank. I wrote it. From that place this is coming. Now when I run it, you see, save this code. Now see, some error will come, some warning will come. Py execute. So you got one error message, warning, syntax error. Because why that syntax error? Observe this slashes, you observe this one. C slash like this. User. like this something, like this something, slash something. You know, in our Python coding in C language, whenever I use backslash T, it will be taken as what? Tab space. When I use backslash N, it has some meaning, new line, like that. In our Python, we are having slash B, some meaning is there. Like backslash T, what meaning is there? Here slash B is also some meaning is there. That is called a blanks will be revoked back. So it is having slash B, slash P, slash U. They are having some type of meaning is there. Unicode escape characters they are treated. Even in C language also, there are 11 escape sequence characters are there, like backslash T, backslash N. Your faculty said only two. They did not explain 9 escape sequence characters. So the conclusion is whenever you write backslash k, backslash p, backslash d, something like that, you are going to get an error because they are treated as a escape sequence characters. To suppress that meaning, you have to write double slashes. You need to write double slashes. If you don't understand the total history, that entire deep knowledge, if you don't know, you write simply what? Double slashes, you write it. Now you execute. Now you'll get perfect answer. B name I got it, address I got it, 3000 I got it, 4 and 5 I got it. Perfect answer. Who defined? Somebody else is defined. They put it into their own package. But I'm using in my program or not? I'm using in my program. Suppose if I keep comment here, same error will come once again. What is that? Module not found error. Now one more time, you are writing something like that. You are not writing that slashes. You are writing single slash. You got which error? Syntax error, escape sequence error. We got it. To avoid that, I wrote a double slashes. When this was like that, when this was like that, you are adding extra like that. Today, I want to tell you another mechanism. Since you have like that, don't write this one. You write reverse of that. You write the reverse of that. Now you are having this one. You write reverse. You write reverse. This way also you can write it. This way also you can write it. This way also you can write it. Happily you can execute. See the answer now. Say 5000. Say 5 and 6. Got the output. This is called one of way. Sys dot path dot append. Are you getting it? Now, sometimes I can use like this also. Up to projects only. Only I am writing. Up to projects. Up to projects. In the projects, what is there? Bank. I am writing bank dot. What is the bank package? What is the dot? ICIC. What is the ICIC? Module. What is the B name and everything? Global variables and function names. Like this also you can execute. This is also going to give you an error here. This is also going to give you an error. So there you are writing something like this. There you are writing something like this. Here you write it something like this. So these are going to be giving some type of errors like this. That time you are supposed to write this entire thing into this place only. So you cannot attempt to write by writing something here, something, because in some websites and all, they will try to do like that. You will get errors. So you need to take it as what? Blank. Now you try to run it. You are going to get this 6000 and 6 and 5 you are getting it. I think you are understanding this now. Are you following now? Fine. So this is clear about it. You can write this double slashes, this slash. It is not a Python concept. It is a fundamental knowledge on the basic level part of your computer science knowledge is required to understand this. So try to get the fundamental knowledge on computer science at least. Those who are touching the laptop or computer science, you must have minimum knowledge on what is this things and what is the meaning of that. At least minimum knowledge is required in the computer science. If you don't know directly, you try to understand. Single slash writing in the coding, giving escape sequence error. I already said the reason. In C language, the meaning is that if we use as it is in the programming, it is considered C language meaning only. To avoid that meaning, to divert that meaning, you change the symbolic notation like a other slash. Are you following me now? Right. Go to this place also. You got an error here now. How do you avoid this here also? Command prompt. Python command prompt, I mean. This is which prompt? Windows command prompt this is. Now I am at which place? Muddu, come on. Python command prompt. How do you do that? చెప్పాను కదా మొద్దు బాబు. Import sys dot path dot append off. Path dot append off. I need to write that entire absolute address. What is the entire absolute address? This one. This one I can write it. So here you can write whatever the slashes you like it, you can write it. Whatever the slashes you can write it, you can say like this. So this place, how it will search, how the PVM will search, search it in Python software, search it into underscore underscore, both of them not there, it is present into this place. Now you import it from ICICI like this, perfectly got it. Now say print of bname comma addr, got it. Simple int, simple int. Here I wrote it, got it. Session 3003, got my output. Are you following this? This is called a sys.path.append. Go to this place, Python command prompt also. Here also I will say import the sys, import the sys. Now I set this one. Now say what? Import ICICI as IC. Perfect. IC dot, what is this now? B name. Got it. IC dot, IC dot ADDR printed. IC dot simple int. Got it. So enter that 5003, got my output. Getting or not? So where I defined it, some different environment also I'm accepting. Go to the PyCharm here. Close this now. I will write it. Go to, I set already one place here. What is this now? HYD. This is the error is there or not? HYD folder is different. Bank folder is different. How do you write it now? Come on, fast. Import sys. Sys dot path dot append off. Append off. Now I'm writing there this answer. So sys dot path dot append off. Perfect. This is a one. No problem about it. Already mentioned it. How it will be searching in? Searching in Python software. Not there. Searching in underscore PyCache. Not there. And searching in absolute path, what you mentioned, it will run. Perfect output will be coming. 2003 and 4. Perfect output. Getting or not? So different environments are executed. Got it? Now, now the thing is, how online students can use it? This example, how online student can use it for them? What I am trying to say. Suppose there is a student who is out of my environment, who is in different place. What I will do? I'll go to this place. As a programmer, which I want to distribute my library to everybody, I will go to PyCharm here. I'll go to PyCharm projects here. Where the bank is there, na, I will generate one zip file. One zip file I will generate. This is my folder. This folder, I will get it in D drive or E drive or wherever I like it. I can keep it. This is my bank. I will remove unnecessary things. I will take up. This is there, na. This bank is there, na. I will generate what? Compressed to zip file. It is generated as a zip file. This zip file I will send to the Google Classroom. Google Classroom I will send. This Google Classroom zip file they will download. When they download, they will get it in which place? Downloads option. In the downloads option, they will get or not? That downloads option, downloaded file, they will put it into their own path. D colon they will keep. In D colon they will keep. And they will mention the path of the downloaded file into their program. They will extract from that, from zip file, and they will put that path into their program and they will use it. Online students, did you understand? Did you understand what I am trying to say? Quick. So you are understanding the significance of how to do it. Now, this is a first example done. So in this case, you see, in this case, you see, this is got it. Now I'm going to enter. If I'm using in different places, I used sys dot path dot. I used what? Sys dot path dot. Here I used it sys dot path dot. In wherever I am using, I am saying sys dot path dot append. But if I remove this, what will happen? If I want to use it 20 times in my same system, I need to write 20 times or not? Is it not my waste of time? You run this code, giving you module not found error. You go to this place, you remove, it is going to give you module not found error again. You see, this is giving module not found error. You come out of that. In this place, you come out Python environment. You come out of it once again, come to the Python environment once again, run as administrator. What will happen here? Import ICICI. It will give you what? Module not found error. Module not found error is coming. Ideally also, you come out of that. You come out of that here. You say exit off. You come out of that. Again, you go to the page. Ideally, this may be looking very difficult for you because you don't practice it. It will become very difficult. If you practice it, it will be dead easy. ICICI. So it is going to give you what? Module not found error. Are you getting it? So I don't want this. How I want? Import math. Math. What is the math? Predefined module. It is working like that. When I say import ICICI, it should also work like that. It should also work like a predefined module. Are you following me? So how to do that? That is my concept here. To do that, I need to go for something like a different approach I want to tell you. That is the second approach called Python path environmental variables. So sys.path.append you understood. Now I'm going for Python path environmental variable I will tell. Then after that, multiple examples. One example is a bank example I said with ICICI. Same thing I will go for what? Python path environmental variable I want to tell. So first of all, what is an environmental variable? I want to tell you. Environmental variable is one of the information provided to OS. This information you are providing to OS so that so that OS provides that information. OS provides that information to all to all to all apps and programs during during launching time during launching time. So launching time is nothing but app starting time. App starting time. Now I'm going to show you in this place how to set this environmental variable is our topic now. This is called one of the information provided to OS so that OS will provide that information to all apps during the launching time or starting time. Where is that available? Start button. I'm going to search it. Environmental variables. You start searching in environmental variable that is present into control panel first of all. Control panel is the one which is available in our OS because the knowledge only. You must have the knowledge. You don't know control panel, programs, all those things. It's a time waste. Environmental variable. Click on that. This is called system properties. There you need to go for click on the environmental variables. There I'm going to enter, click on that. There are two things are available: user variables, system variables. User variables are the information available to the person who logged in into my system. My name is given. This is the user variables. All the variables given by the programmer. This is the information which is provided by the Windows OS, which is common for all the users. In my system, I am logging with my credentials. My related variables will be available. If somebody logs, some XYZ will log into my system, whose related environmental variables will come. But for me, for this person, what is the common system environmental variables will be same. So today I need to create the path for what? User variables. How to create it? Say new. You need to have the cursor at the user variables time only. Say new. I need to say what here? Python path. Fixed name. Python path is one of the user environmental variable for package features to reuse in all the programs. What I should mention in the variable name is called Python path. I need to mention the absolute path of the package where the module will present. What is my absolute path? I said. What is my absolute path? I said already. C colon, users colon, KVR colon, PyCharm colon, PyCharm projects. Under that, there is a bank. There I need to take off. Here I need to take off. I need to provide here. So paste. I'm going to say double slashes here. Double slashes here. Why I'm giving double slashes? Already said to you. So this points I need to double slashes. Say OK. You need to say OK. So that Python path is created with this information. This information will be provided by OS to all the apps which I am going to launch. This is a global information supplied to our Python programs. After saying OK, you need to say second time OK. You should not close it. You need to say second time OK. After that, you should not close it. You need to say third time OK. Are you okay? Hmm? You are okay. Three OKs you need to say. Then that program will become okay. Otherwise, it will not become okay. What is okay? Hmm? What is okay? తెలుసా మీకు ఓకే అంటే వాట్ ఈజ్ ఓకే మీకు తెలియదు ఇన్ ఓల్డ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వెరీ ఓల్డ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ దే యూస్ టు కాల్ generally we call it as all correct. We call it as all correct. In old English they did not call all, they call it as what? All. OLL. Correct spelling is what? KRROECT. Correct. They said okay, abbreviated from okay. అప్పటి నుంచి ఓకే ఓకే అని కంటిన్యూ అయింది. ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ప్లేస్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ఓకే ఈజ్ కంటిన్యూడ్. దట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఓకే. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ సడన్ యూ కెనాట్ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏసీ. ఇలా ఇలా కాదు కదా. అందుకనే ఓకే అంటే అది అని. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఓకే? ఆల్ కరెక్ట్. యు అండర్స్టాండ్? అది మీనింగ్. అంటే ఒక విషయంలో సమగ్రమైన నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండాలి. ఇన్ వన్ టాపిక్ యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీట్ నాలెడ్జ్. హాఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్, 1/2 నాలెడ్జ్ ఇస్ వెరీ డేంజర్. 1/2 knowledge is 0.5 knowledge. Very, very danger knowledge. So let us run the code. So it is launched at what time? I said, now I will launch my application. What is my suppose it is there. PyCharm was already there or not? PyCharm was already there. It is not launched after setting. It was already launched before setting. You run this application, you will get the same error called module not found error. So what should I do? I need to relaunch. Relaunch means what? Say what? Exit. Say exit. After that you start. After that you start. PyCharm. I'm launching. This is what I said. Information provided by OS. I'm providing to OS. OS will provide that information to all apps during the launching time or application starting time. See, this is the one. See, there is no red underline here. Are you seeing that? Come on, run the code. Now you are getting the answer. Whenever I run my question, run this application, in how many places it will search? 4 places it will search. Up to last 3 places. ఇప్పుడు 4 places. Number 1, Python software it will search. It is not there. Number 2, underscore underscore PyCache, which is not there. Next, sys.path.append is also not there. Then it will go for searching in where? Python path it will search. Who provided that information? OS is providing. To whom? PVM. So PVM is asking. PVM is OS is asking, please come to Python path. In environmental variable, there is a path is specified by the programmer. From there you bring what? ICICI. Understand? See how many places my Python modules will search? 4 places. Number 1, Python software. Number 2, underscore underscore PyCache. Number 2, environmental variables. Number 3, sys.path.append. This is subject. How C language libraries will search? You don't know. Because your college faculty taught something. Hash include this set, right? Hash include this set. How it will search? Hmm? You don't know. Why? They don't know, first of all. That's why don't know becomes air batch. Don't know people teaching becomes air batch. You are good. మీరు మంచోళ్ళే. మిమ్మల్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు ప్రాబ్లం. You are good. All students are very good. The people who handled you, na, they are wrong people. That is what you have to identify first. It is not a rocket science all of sudden. The people who handled you during your studies time, that is the problem. So that is the main problem. Fifth class student can understand Python very perfectly because the teacher is important. See, understood. Now see the answer now. 4,000, 4 and 5. Got the answer or not? Am I using sys.path.append here? Where I developed, you don't know, but I am using it. Go to finished. Go to next. This one. I will run this. You are getting what error? Mod not found error. Why? It was already launched before I said. Say what? Exit. Go to once again. Online students. CMD. Run as administrator. C. E colon. CD. KVR. Execute. DIR. What is my program? This one. That program you want me to open it? Huh? I will open it. There was no. Not. There was no. Only import I have. No sys dot nothing is there. Execute. Go to the place. PY. What is the program name? ICICI demo.py. Perfect. So 5,000, 5,000, 1.2 and 3, 3.4. Got an output. Perfect. How many times I was set? One time. How it is searching? That is an important. Simple. For example, I forget my bike keys. Where I will search? First, I will search in my packet. Not there. I'll search in all my packet. That is called sys.path.append. Not there. I will search in where my cabin. That is called what? Current working folder. Not there. I will search in where path. On the path where I parked my vehicle. Not there. I will search it in my home also. Also not there. You will declare as what? Keys not found error. ఇవి చెప్పకూడదు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో. You should not tell in interviews. Em Babu, are you following me? Are you getting? So finally, how many places this module will be searched in? Number 1, Python software, environmental variables, order I am saying, pakka order, Python software, environmental variable, current working folder underscore underscore PyCache, And within the program sys.path.append, in all the four places not found, you will get module not found error. When do you get module not found error? If I ask a question, you have to tell this answer. You take any person outside, when do you get module not found error? First of all, you will say subject not found error, you will say. You will say subject not found error. When subject not found error, there is no other, nothing is found in that. So that student will become what? All error only will come. This is the way to tell. I'm showing everything practically to you. This is a way of learning computer science subject. Any subject, this is a way. Understand? Anybody say something, don't try to move your head horizontally like olden days. Question it. Why? Show. Why? You are paying the fees now. Don't leave anybody, students. You ask, nobody will say anything to you. Correct or not? You question them. Will you say anything? Nobody. You question them. Nothing will happen. If anybody says something, you tell me. On behalf of you, I will ask them. Okay, now? So first you ask me. So you'll get fear. You will eliminate fear first. So now I will understand. Coming to, I will go to this place. Suppose I'm using only one time, which I'm not using all the times. I will use what? Sys.path.append. I already said now, just now, how to use it in other machine also I said now. Suppose if somebody else want to use it. I said just now, I will generate what? Zip file. I will put the zip files into where? Google Classroom. You will downloads option. You copy that downloaded thing into where? D drive or C drive you keep. In your place, you write what? sys.path.append. You put that path and you will happily use my code. That is called other environments, other networks you can use it. Understood or not? Yes. Shall I go to the second example? So now I am going to move to the further. Can I go to the second example? Second example, I'm going to enter. Shall we? Let's go. So I'm going to define one more module. I will take it. What is the next module I'm taking, ma? Go to another module. There is no tension at all. Happy. Relaxly, you do it. Do it. What I will do? One more module. What is the next module? Come on. AOP. What is this now? Operations. I'm going to take it what? Operations. Of which operations? AOP operations. Or AOP. Simply you take it as AOP. What is AOP? Or I will take it operations. Okay. Operations. What is operations here? Hmm? Muddu. Package name. ఇప్పుడే కదా చెప్పింది package name. So package name. So in that package name, what I will do? I said keeping underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py is optional. Even if you don't keep it also no problem. Even if you keep also no problem. What I'm going to write today? What I'm going to write? AOP dot py. What is the AOP dot py? Module name. It is called a module name. This is called a module name. I'm going to write it. Next I'm going to write it. This is called a module name. There I'm going to write a next one more module name. Today I will keep it. What is that? Mathsinfo.py. Mathsinfo.py. What is this also called? Module name. Inside of this module name, what I'm going to take it? SumOp of. Next is called a subop of. Subop of. Next is called what? MLOP of. What these are all called? Functions. In this module, what are the things are available here? PI. Next is called what? E. What these are all called? Global variables. All of them are present into which package? Operations. Shall I create operations now? Where I will create? In Edit Plus I will create. I will call it in PyCharm. Shall I? Let's go. Now same thing. Go there. Where I am going to create in? ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేయాలా డీనా ఈనా ఎక్కడ డి మీకు ఎక్కడ కావాలంటే ఎక్కడ షల్ ఐ క్రియేట్ ఇన్ డి లెట్స్ గో create a folder, operations, operations, operations. So I'm going to take it. Operations is called what? One folder created in where? D colon. Yesterday's class. There I will develop it. Even I'm not writing this again here. 11 a.m. Yesterday's class modules. There is a maths info AOP. What these two are called? What these two are called? Muddu modules. AOP module name. Inside what is available? Already you know yesterday's class only. What is available? In this case, functions are there. Functions are there. What is the maths info? Close it. It is in the close session. Go to next maths info. There are two things are there. There are two things are there. Done. Now I will go to where? One empty file you want. You want to place it? You can go to new. I say others. Say Python. Sorry. Python. I will take it. One empty file. Not necessary to place by you. You can save it. Simply save it. Go to where? D colon this place D colon, where is it? Operations. Under that, you say underscore underscore init underscore dot py. It is just optional. No need to place it. See, one empty file like this. Don't write anything inside any sentence. Empty file. Just to make your folder as package. In old versions, that is. In new versions, not necessary. This I want to use it. Where I want to use it? In this place. In this place, I want to use it. Next program. Come on. Here, Python file. What is that? Operations demo. Operations demo.py. Tell me. From AOP import some copy sub OP MLOP from maths info import star import star sum OP of 1020 1020 sub OP of 1020 MLOP of 1020 MLOP of 1020 error will come. Print of value of pi is equal to pi. Next I will go to value of e is equal to e. E. This is called e. Error. What is an error? AOP not found. Module not found error called which one? AOP not found. AOP not found. How do you do? This is called what? Operations demo. Operations demo.py. Operations demo.py. Got error. Got error. AOP. Keep a comment for that. Match info dot error. Match info not found. So overall together they found. Who developed it? Somebody developed in D drive. But where is my program in some other environment, PyCharm environment? How to use it? Modules not possible. Now I need to go for what? Packages. Online students, are you following me? Are you feeling difficult now? Online students, are you there? Are you following it? Quickly, you need to say, I think not feeling difficult. Even if you feel difficult, మీ స్వయం కృపరాధం అంటారు అది. అంటే మనం చేసుకున్నటువంటి సెల్ఫ్ ప్రాబ్లం. దట్ ఇస్ సెల్ఫ్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో యు ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్, యు ఆర్ వెల్ అండ్ గుడ్. Otherwise, you have to think by yourself. After 2-3 years, if you feel, oh, in 1 year back, I need to do, I must do like this, I must do like, age will not come. That's why every day is a new day. You have to work hard. That will accumulate. The next future will be beautiful. అర్థమైందా? Right. So, how to do this now? What to do? Go to where? Python environmental variable. I can say import sys.path.append. That is normal story. Go to this place. Now what I'm doing? Import AOP. AOP. Module not found error. Import match info. Match info. Error. Match info. Error. Go to where? Environmental variable. Environmental variable. Now, environmental variable. What is that? Python path. What should I do? Edit. Don't say new. Already it is there. Say what? Edit. That's why second example I am telling. One example, if I say, okay, over, finished, you'll get problem. Need to go edit. If you click new, the existing data will go. Say edit. Once you say edit, you are already having something. Don't disturb. You need to say semicolon. Semicolon. Put the new path. Of what? New path of what? AOP module, maths info module. Both of them are present in where? Operations package. So I need to mention what? Absolute path of operations package. Where it is available? D colon. In this PC, there is a D colon. There is the operations you need to carry. That you need to get it in this place. Semicolon already there. Say D double slashes. Say after saying that, say okay. Say another okay. Say another okay. Are you okay? You are okay. What is okay? All correct. అర్థమవుతుందా బాబు? ప్రతి ఒక్క ఇంగ్లీష్ వర్డ్ కి ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ ఇంగ్లీష్ వర్డ్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ ఫుల్ ఫామ్. మీకు తెలుసా అది? బ్యూటీ. దెర్ ఇస్ అ మీనింగ్ ఫర్ BAUTY. దెర్ ఇస్ అ మీనింగ్. దెర్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మీనింగ్. దట్ మచ్ పవర్ఫుల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఈస్. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎస్. సో దట్స్ వై suppose you want to learn English, you have to learn like that. You want to learn Python, like this you have to learn. Python in 10 days, Python in 4 days. ఎందుకదంతా? Python YouTube, Python in Telugu YouTube. So many reviews are there. Like you can understand people are looking for Python in Telugu 2 hours. 2 hours Python will come. Python to understand 2 hours, 2 months not enough. People don't know. Are you following? Come on. It is done. Now you say again, you will get error. Why? You need to relaunch. Be careful. You need to relaunch. Exit. Go to this. Go. There you start. There also. Need to relaunch. Need to relaunch. Exit. Now I will go to Python environment. So go to the place. I will go to the place. Here I will run. So there I'm going to write it. Come on. From AOP import star. Perfect. Sum OP of 10 comma 20. Beautiful. Sub OP of what? 10 comma 20. MULOP of what? MULOP of what? 10 comma 20. You can even find help also. Sum OP. Help. Help also will come. How I see the help of my general example? Like that you can use help also. You know already help meaning, right? చెప్పండా? ప్రాబ్లమా? Sorry, you said everything but not remembering anything. మనమేం చేద్దాం దాన్ని? What I can do? I already said everything in the class. Right. So next, I will say one more thing. Import maths info as MI, as KV, as KV. Maths info, not information. Info as KV. Print of what? KV dot PI. Info E, that is also there. Both the answers came. Help of, help of, something like math, help of KV, help of KV. KV is called what? Module. It is an alias name. Module on this, it is containing data, E, etc. You see how beautiful it is. Super. Who developed it? Who is viewing the helper? This is called API development in companies. Once you develop something, anybody you can distribute it. It is called packing and giving to anybody. I will go to PyCharm. I will go to, if I run this, you will get what? Error. You relaunch it, come out and say done. You are having red underlines here. Say exit. You go once again. You go once again to this place. See this. Perfect. Run this. You are getting. Run this. You are getting an output. Got an output or not? Yes. Got an output. Earlier we have an error. Who supplied that information to you? Python path. Who looked into Python path? PVM during the execution. PVM looks in where? Python software. Next in where? Python path. Still not there. Current working folder. Still not there. sys.path.append. Understand? This is called the package. Second example. Sir, I want to do the same thing in where? Jupyter Notebook. Anywhere else you can do. Develop once, set the Python path. You can use anywhere else in the entire system. If you want to use him in some other remote place, you zip it and send them. They will download and they will set the path by themselves. They can use like this. Third example, I will go. Shall I? Third example. Online students, are you there? Are you there, students? Now I will go to one more example. Look at. Now I'm going to take it. Now I'm going to take it. In your class, in the functions, in 11 a.m., if you go to loops, there is a find max 1, find max 2. Some logic I said to you. This is called find max and something like this I am having. This I will go to it. This entire thing is there na. This entire thing is there na. I will create one small thing. Be careful, ma. All of you. See this now. I am defining this under the function def. Def. Find what? Max. Find max values is my function name. This is my function name. Got it. This part I am going to save it. What is my things now? I will go to what? Find max is called my module. Find max is called my module dot py. What is this now? File name and next is called what? Module name. Save it. Where I am saving it in? Where e colon. I'm going to keep it into one package. I'll keep it into one package. What is the package here? Something like I'm writing max values like this. What are the max values is one folder. In that I'm going to keep it. In that I'm going to keep it. What is my things? Find max.py. Save it. Done. Done. If you overall together in my place, e colon 11 a.m. Under that what? Max values. Somewhere else there is a max. Max values. ఇక్కడ e colon e na only e colon max values. Under the max values find max. What is the max value? Moddu. What is the find max value? Folder. Folder. What is the find max? Dot py module. What is the find maximum value? Is called function name. This is called a folder. Folder లో కనిపించలేదు అది ఏం బాబు ఇది ఫోల్డరే కదా ఇది అండర్ ద ఫోల్డర్ వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ python file. Python file is containing what? Module in turn contains what value? Find max values is a function. I will go to set it in where? Command prompt. Third example. Why third example I am going, you see? Some speciality. Environmental variable. Environmental variable. Python path. Say what? Edit. Edit will come. Third time I will keep what? Semicolon. You will expect semicolon. Semicolon will not come now. That will open some window. See. edit. Third example, first example, new. Second time, edit. Semicolon you need to get. Third time, semicolon will not. That's why third example also I'm telling. If I don't tell second example, you will get problem with the second example. Third example, if I don't tell, you will get third example problem. Semicolon is not there. New window. That time there is no room for you to place it. That's why you need to say new, new. Here you need to write the place. What is my address? This is an address. How it is available new. Place it, slashes. That's all. Say after giving that by saying new, say okay. Second time okay. Third time okay. Are you okay finally? You are okay. For seeing it is very easy. But once you keep your fingers on the keyboard, difficulties will come. Even Olympics running is very difficult. But you will say, ఇలా రన్ చేసింటే బాగుండు, అలా రన్ చేసింటే బాగుండు, ఇలా దుంకింటే బాగుండు. You will say a lot of suggestions. But when you do it, actual problem will come. Correct or not? Cricket, ఇలా ఆడితే బాగుండు, ఇట్లా ఆడింటే బాగుండు. If you play like this, you will say a lot of things. But they know what is the actual problem. Correct or not? Yes. Online students, now I will go to this place. Here I need to relaunch. Need to relaunch or not? Need to relaunch. Say what? Exit. Say exit. Go to that. Go to this. Here also need to relaunch. Exit. Here. Go to this all the places. నేను మొత్తం క్లోజ్ చేసేస్తాను ఇక్కడ. I will close everything. System I will go for it. Start. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్దాం ఇప్పుడు? Python. Come on. From what is my things? What is my thing? Hmm? Find max as FM syntax error. From no import it. Find max as what? FM working. FM dot. What is this? Find values. Find max. Find max function. So, okay, suppose I don't know. I will go for what? Help of what? FM. Happy. I'm getting the function name called what? Yes. Happy. See how beautiful subject it is. FM dot. Find max values. FM dot. FM dot. So here I will write FM dot. What is the function name? Find max values of. Okay. How many values you have? 6. First value 10, 2 and 13 and say 6 and say 15. I say minus 4. Max value is equal to what? List of values, max value is equal to 15. Who defined it? How I am using it? So beautiful. Anybody you take it. Now same institute, one more student. What is package? Package లేదు ఏం లేదు అంటాడు. Don't know package and anything. Don't know anything. Shankarada MBBS. Don't know anything. You also don't know when you don't practice it. Go to next. Where I will go? Python environment I will take. Python environment. I will go to Python command prompt. Same. Come on, how do you do? From, what is this? Find max. Import. Find max values. Find max values as KVR. Super. For function name, I am giving alias name. KVR of. How many values? 5, 100, 0, 1, 2, 345, and say 5. Beautiful. Got it. Jupyter notebook, I will go. Jupyter notebook is the one which is going to be everywhere. It's another party, but where I typed it in environmental variables. There I will use everything. Like how I will use predefined models, that my program also will give you the same thing. So new, I'll say here, see. So I'm going to say import calendar as C. Print of what? C dot month of 2025, comma, ninth month. So you are getting an answer. How you are getting? Predefined. Now today, come on, import find max as what? As what? KV and KV dot find max values of values of syntax error. Yes, as Adi. So I enter how many values you have? Six values. First value, second value, third value, fourth value, seventh value, and eighth. Am I getting the maximum value 34 or not? Next, import from import AOP as AP, AP dot sum OP of 3 comma 4. Got it? From max info as m print of m dot pi comma m dot e. Super. M dot e m dot pi from match info. No, import ఇలా. యాక్చువల్గా ఇలా కావాలంటే ఇలా. ఇంపోర్ట్ సింటాక్స్ నేనే రాంగ్ రాశాను. యాజ్ ఎం నౌ ఆన్సర్. ఫాలో. ఏం బాబు, ఆర్ యూ ఓకే? సరే, యు ఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ ఆన్సర్ బట్ వీఆర్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు డూ ఎనీథింగ్. మీ ప్రాబ్లం అది. బట్ ఐఎమ్ గెట్టింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఎనీవేర్ ఎల్స్ రాంగ్? ఎనీవేర్ ఎల్స్ స్టక్ అప్? నో, పర్ఫెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి? ఫ్రమ్ ఐసిఐసిఐ ఇంపోర్ట్ స్టార్ ప్రింట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రింట్ బ్యాంక్ నేమ్. Bank name. So going to get it. Bank name is equal to address is equal to address is equal to dot format of what? B name. B name. Comma what? ADDR. Okay. So got it. Sir. Simple INT, sir. Simple INT. Enter the principal amount. 1000, sir. And 2 and 3, sir. Got an output. Who developed it and who is using? Who developed it and who is using? Great. Which place we developed it and which place you are using? See, which case you came from? Don't know anything case to package. Almost we are going to do wonder when you learn the Python coding. Understand? So, online students, I hope you are understanding this point. Is it clear, students? Quickly. So, this is the subject what we entered. So, anybody ask you tomorrow, will develop any module, package, functions, module, packages. They are all called what? Reusable components. So tomorrow class, we will go for exception handling. How important exception handling, I cannot imagine. That was Saturday. Dasara hall vacation. Anni for rain. One side rain. Morning, I fully wet, but I came to the class. So Saturday, underground activity, don't apply. Rainy, no problem. Any floods, anything comes, you need to come to the class. Third, Dasara vacation, no vacations. Don't bother about vacation. If institute gives holiday, you enjoy. Four, okay, tomorrow 4 factors are influencing you. All the factors you suspend. Come to the class. Okay, what is the topic tomorrow? Exception handling. So, Pankaj, sir, string handling part 2, I stopped it. Which batch can I join? String handling part 2 join. That is, you need to come to the point of Pankaj. You need to come to the evening 4 p.m. batch only. There, 6 p.m. batch after uh, 10 days, not immediately. After 10 days, you need to join. Okay, now? After 10 days, you need to join. Mohan Krishna, give one more example on sysdot path. Okay, sysdot path, you need to go for it. What I need to use? I will remove what? from Python sys.path.append, I will go to my place. Here I will go to that. Here I will remove this entire thing. That time I will go to this entire thing. What I will do? Go to the environmental variables. Environmental variables, I will take it. Environmental variables. In the environmental variables, what I will do? This path is there, na? Say delete. Is it, sir? Okay. Okay. Are you okay? Not okay? మళ్ళా చూపిస్తాను ఒకసారి. Environmental variable. Environmental variable. Environmental variable. So environmental variable. Python path is not there because I deleted already. So, okay. Done. Now I will go to where? What I will do? Go to CMD. CMD or Python environment. You go. So I'm going to take up. So here I'm going to take it. Say from what is this? Find max. Find max. Import. Import what? Find max values. So you are getting what? Module not found error. Why? I was removed from there. What do you do? Import sys. Sys. Come on. Sys dot. Path dot. Append off. Append off. I need to take it. Where is it? ఎక్కడది? E colon. E colon. ఎక్కడ? Max values. Max value. This part you carry. This part you carry. So E colon. This one. Max value. Close. Some, come on. There I will say from find max. Got it. As something like some x. X. Come on, x of. So how many values? 6 values. 10, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, 0. Got it. Mohan Krishna. Duvari Mohan Krishna. Are you okay? Mohan Krishna. Got it. Simple. So once you have very good hairstyle, you can comb any direction. Remove the crop this. ఎందుకు పెట్టుకున్నా crop? Fashion, huh? Rain. Here rain is there. So are you following this? So sys dot path dot append. What is this? Hmm? Don't tell system. What is this? Predefined model. What is the path? Global variable, which is an object of list class. What is an append? Function in the list object, in the path object, present into where? Sys model. Sys dot path dot append takes absolute path of the package where my module present. You have to write it. Double slashes you need to write. This is the subject. Okay now? So don't miss that. After going to home, you have to practice this. So 90% will not practice. 90% of the members will not practice. Only 10 members like me only will practice. Who will practice after going to home? అబద్ధం చెప్పకూడదు నాకు. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. సో క్యాప్ ఆయన ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాడా లేదా? విల్ ప్రాక్టీస్? నో, I know. Because when you are wearing cap means I understand. Girls, who will practice? Okay. So వాళ్ళు కూడా కొంతమంది రైట్ చేయలేదు. So no problem. The more hard work you do, the more result will come. Right? Take care. Tomorrow, what is the topic name? Exceptionally. Very, very important concept. Thank you. All the best.